This is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be doing something really cool and I've been actually wondering about it myself. So today we're gonna actually test out 4 different colorless blenders and 9 set of different type of markers. So do the color blenders actually work with other markers other than Touch New, I think that's what it came with, and Copic and Prisma. So let me show you the 4 different type of colorless blenders that I have here. Here are the 4 different kinds of colorless blenders. So I know you guys know Copic right here, and I know you guys know Prismacolor right here, and the other 2 I didn't know that when I ordered from Wish I did get new Touch New markers, so they actually gave me a colorless blender for it. And the one that I saw, it's like a universal colorless blender. It's from Artist Soft, and this I got it from Michaels. So if you guys go there, it's really cheap, and it's a double-sided tip like the others, brush and a fine tip. All these have double-sided, so the Touch New has the broad shape and the fine tip, and same as the Prisma. And as for the Copic Chow, this one actually has the broad tip and then the brush tip, which I really love. For the markers that I'm testing out, I have 9 of them. So let me show you which ones. The first one I'm going to show you is the Touch 5. Right here. The next one is the big marker. Oh, the Market, actually. Mark It, and I like Marketplace, like Mark, M-A-R-K, it. The next one is the Oh Ho Ho. I think it's Oh Hoo Hoo. The next one is from an independent artist that I actually bought a couple markers from. This is from Tat's Crew marker. The next one is the Touch Twin marker. This is called the Touch Twin. The other one is called the Touch New. The next one is called the Touch New. And the next one is obviously the Copic Sketch. The next one is the Sharpie, and the last one is the Prismacolor. Beforehand, I went and I actually did swatches. I think if you guys think that you want to watch the swatches while I do it on camera, like not live, but show you the whole thing, let me know down below. But I feel like it just takes so much time in the video, and I want to always make videos less than 10 minutes. So if you guys want to see the swatches in future videos, you guys have to let me know down below. And yeah, I'll make it happen. But as for this video, I'm going to show you. So let's start here. As you can see, I actually labeled all the colorless blenders up above, and then all the markers that I test out right here. As you can see, the Copic marker worked really good with all the colorless blenders. So that's a good thing that obviously Copic has the colorless blender, especially for those markers. So that's going to work. As for the Artist Soft, it's really difficult. I feel like it doesn't have that much ink, so that's why I wouldn't get that type of colorless blender from Michaels, because it is cheap. So but it does work. As you can see, I did a couple of swatches there on top just to get the color lighter. Now, for you guys don't know what a colorless blender is, the colorless blender is supposed to lighten up the color for you and make it blend with another color. But unfortunately, I didn't do that video for today. I'm actually going to do a part 2 of if all these markers actually work with the colorless blender with another marker. So if you want to say if you want to use 2 Sharpies and use a colorless blender, will you be able to fuse them together for them to work? So that's going to be on the next video, but today I just want to see if these actually work with these markers. So as for the first one, we're gonna do a little check on that one, and the Copic marker obviously works. The next marker is the Prismacolor marker. So as you can see, it does work here. You can see that it does get lighter with the Prismacolor, the Touch New, and the Copic, even the Artist Loft here. Same thing with Tat's Crew marker. It does show gradient here from light to dark, which is really good. Sharpie as well, not as much as the Artist Loft, because like by the time the 4th marker came by, it did as you can say, did start getting dry. The marker doesn't have that much ink inside because I've been using it other times. It's a kind of old marker, but I wanted to add it in here because it is a colorless blender. Now the next one is the Bic Market, and same thing, but not as drastic as the other markers like the Copic and the Prisma. So yeah, but I definitely am curious to see if any of these actually can blend with a lighter marker or a marker for the Copic kind of scene, you know. So the next one is the Oh Ho Ho, and that one works as well. The same thing as the Touch Twin, the Touch New, and the Touch 5. The Touch 5, you can actually really see the difference here of gradient, but as for all of them, they all do work. As you can see, as for my test, the colorless blenders do work with all these 9 markers. Now, the question is for you guys is, does it really work how it's supposed to work with another marker? So that's actually going to be on my next video, so stay tuned. I'm going to be posting it on Wednesday, and let's see if those do work. So other than that, this is your girl Mizuki, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below if you do guys want the live swatches. Don't forget to follow my social media at Zuki_art. That on my Instagram, definitely there, because I do post a lot of things there. So don't forget to follow me on that. And that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and this is your girl Mizuki, and I am out.